And I thought I'd just show you guys some more stuff about some updates of what's happening at Mr. Donuts in Japan. I'm a huge fan of their stuff, and I think they make really great donuts, and they also happen to have really great fun kind of point campaigns that they do. And I'm a huge fan of their mascot, which is Pon de Lion. And then I just also in general like a lot of the things that they do as promotional gifts. You get a card and then you get points every time you make a purchase. And when you get enough points, you can get something cool. This was something that started a little while ago, and I just happened to have, you needed 150 points, which is quite a lot. And I happened to just get enough to have 300 so I could get two, one for each of my daughters, even though I secretly wanted one too. I don't know, if you have kids, like every time I want something, my kids take it, so go figure, right? I need to be a little more strong and say, no, it's mine, don't touch it. But I find if I shop when they're not around, I can have a little more success with that. So, but this is a pen, a ballpoint pen that was made by the costume jewelry company Abiste, and they are very well known in Japan as having some really fun and cute kind of modern kind of costume jewelry that they make for the fashionable young here in Japan. And this is the second time they've done a collaboration with Mr. Donuts. They also did a keitai strap, or a cell phone strap, that featured this little donut that's got jewels in it. But this pen is really pretty. It's just, you know, your typical kind of twist type, and then has the kind of decorated donut there, along with Mr. Donut written on there on the top. But it's a pretty cool little pen. They came in 3 colors. There was this blue, pink, and brown. The blue one was so popular that, as it is now when you visit their website, the blue one, they've re-edited their photos and taken the blue one completely out of everything, which I thought was kind of surprising, because usually they just say, you know, not available, but they actually went to the trouble of eliminating it from the pictures, so you know it's actually really not available anywhere. So that my daughter picked because she loves blue, so we were lucky to have that. But definitely a really cool, neat kind of promotion. If you just buy donuts, it's pretty hard to get enough points for everything, but if you occasionally go and get yourself a drink, or you have lunch there, and you have a lot of people, you can kind of get the points a little quicker. It does take a while though. But so that was just sort of a quick little thing that I wanted to show you guys. And then I did get a flyer the other day, and I'm excited to go. I haven't gone in a while here, but they have this new little promotion that they're doing of these little miniature donuts called Pon de Junior. And as you can see here, you get 2. You get like a chocolate glazed and then a honey glazed, or a strawberry glazed and honey glazed. And they do have these ones that have sprinkles on them as part of like a thing to kind of make stuff more fun for kids, and more Western in theme, I suppose. And then these are some updates of what's going on in terms of stuff. They have these really delicious sakura or cherry blossom flavored donuts right now. And this one here, I had this the glazed old-fashioned. Wow, that was really good. I would have to say that, now this isn't to be confused with cherry flavored. That's not what this is. This is the actual flower, the sakura flavor. It's kind of like eating things that have like a rose flavor to them too. So if you've had something like, you know, rose muffins or rose cookies that have that kind of flavor, it is a sweet kind of perfumey smell, but still really good. So I thought they were really tasty. They're doing a promotion. Sometimes you can get goods even though you don't have points. You can do it 2 ways. You can use points, 150 points, or you can buy 7 donuts and spend 1,000 yen and get this along with it, which is about 300 yen for this. This is an obento box to have like your packed luncheon. And then right now, because it's the 10-year anniversary of Pon de Ring, they're doing these special super cute little donuts that feature the Pon de Lion's outer part and then his face on a piece of chocolate, and underneath that is a donut hole, and then they've glued it all together with cream. I thought that was pretty clever, and they're really good, tasty little things, and they're so cute, so you have to buy one, right? But then the thing that I saw that I'm so super excited about is this thing, and it's coming out next month. They're doing a collaboration with Hello Kitty. They never normally do that, so that's going to be really cool. They have these special donuts that feature these 3 like donut pops that kind of look like cupcakes and feature little chocolate ribbons on top. And then these 4 regular donuts that they always have featuring the cute little ribbon as decoration. And then they're giving away, as part of a promotion, if you spend the money for it, of course, you get these little, those little earphone jack decoration things you can buy these days, you know, now. So, and they feature Hello Kitty's ribbon, but the ribbon looks like a donut. So, I am personally super excited about that, and as soon as I can get my hands on those, I'll share with you guys a video of them. So, but that's just a sort of update on what is cool happening here in Donut Land. And if you get a chance to come out to Japan, you have to go to Mr. Donuts because it's really delicious. And I personally, you know, being from the States, I know we have Krispy Kreme and all that stuff, but Dunkin' Donuts, but just not cool stuff. The people here in Japan know how to make donuts well. So if you ever eat a donut, you should eat it here. So